Alright, we're on day number 2. Last week we set for a few hours. Saw 9 doe back here by this marsh on a ravine. We're going back there this morning. I'm prepped a little bit bulkier than normal. I got my grandfather's state-issued wool thick pants underneath some rain pants because we're supposed to get some rain or snow this afternoon possibly. It's legal. Let's load and get in there. It's 8 a.m. My scent is over there. And on the other side is where the does walk through. If the snow picks up, I'm going to walk a little bit. It's about 2 p.m. I've got about 2 hours left. Possible snow showers, rain showers for the next hour. Jeez Louise. One went running after I flushed that.